Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video we are going to use destructuring for states and property. Destructuring is a very useful feature that is introduced in ES6 plus version. It is very beneficial also. It used to make your code more understandable, more clean, more accurate, more easy to understand also. So in the last video we are working on a component and we build this component. Last few video we build this one, and whenever we pass initial value from the index, like I pass here 0, so I save it, automatically the color changes to 0 and this. We have done all these things in previous video. If you are new and directly come to this video, please watch those video also to understand it. Now what we do, we try to destructure the properties value to the state which we are sending and try to understand the use of destructure. Here I have only count value. If you remember that I have only count value, but for demo purpose I am taking one more value, data, and here I am passing the information that data info, like this, just to make you understand that I can destructure any type of parameter which we are passing here. I will remove it later on, but it's just to give you demo. Now we have this property and I want to destructure this. For destructuring this, what I do here, I just make it comment and I say this, I say state equal to this dot props. Remember, this dot props. Now in this state we have passed the property and we have count also and we have data also. So data I want to display here, this dot state dot data, like this you can pass here. If you see demo, that we have a data info we have passed here, this information we are passing from here, data info, so that is coming here in a state, and count value also I am passing count as a 0. So you see that we have 0 here, and if I pass some other value, I say it's 10 and I save it, you will see that automatically the values can change to 10 and we have increment and decrement also. So by this way we can pass or destructure the property to state. See, once again like this we can do, so we doesn't require this much of code. Now more destructuring, this count variable is look so odd and not looking a clean coding. So what we can do like this, const I say count equal to this dot state. Remember that here in state we have two value, data and count. That's why I am removing this, because I don't need this now. It was just for demo purpose, so I don't need this. I have only one value, count, and I am removing this also from here to display. No need of this. It was just to demo and show you that we can pass multiple value also. So now just I pass here count value, and in place of this state I replace with count. Remember, if count equal to 0, then we have this property. Similar way I just destructured this also, so I just paste this and I remove this one, this count also, and I remove this also. You see, the code looks so clean. Similar way we have here also, but here I don't want to do, because it's a direct increment decrement, so we can do in single line. Otherwise here I can also destructure, like I can say this one, in place of constant I should say let, because we have to replace the value, and here I can say like this, count equal to count plus 1, like this. And similar way I can do here also. So just paste here and I say let, and I say count -1, like this. You see, more cleanable. And now go to output, and you see nothing is changed, everything is working properly without any problem. You see 0 coming, then this. So each and everything is working as it was working previously, but we just clean the code, that we put the state value to this, you see. And I can make it more cleaner also. I can just do here increment decrement of this, and I can pass here count, but no need here in this code. But if you see, by using destructuring, we are able to make this code so understandable, so clean. And like this we can use destructuring for class using property. But if I am using a functional component and I have this property here and I have count here also, so how I can use this? So for that I just change this counter to my counter here, like this, and I save it, and you will see that the result is changed to this my counter. And here I am passing a value 10, and I go to this my counter here, and I do not have this value, so I remove it. We are passing the value to count, not a count value, like this. I save it, and you see that output we have a 10 value here. Now I use destructuring here. For example, suppose in index I am passing a 2 value, count and data also, like this. 2 types of value I am passing. So by 2 way I can do destructuring. First, directly I can pass here count and data. Remember that I can pass here count and data, like this, and I can use here like this count, and directly I can pass here data also, h1, and I say data, and I save. So if I run it, you see we have a data also, we have this also. So with the help of destructuring, what we did, just we destructure as a argument we are passing. If you don't want to do this, you can do one more way also. Just put here props, and here I just create 2 variable. I say const, and I say count and data, and equal to props. This way I can also do same way. And if you see no change, we have some problem. So data we have, I'm not having a value. I see what is the error. So error is constant variable, assignment to constant variable. Okay, so what we do, we just change it to let, save it. Now try, you see we have output. So we have output here. So like this you have seen that how we can do destructuring, how we can get benefits from destructuring. You see we did this variable here, let here, no need to unassign this here again and again, because we have the same variable here. So we have here count, we have data here, just save, and we have a same result. You see same information we have. So now no need to pass this additional information, it is not required, just example, I just delete it. So like this way you can use destructuring to make your code better, more understandable, more useful with the help of this special feature of advanced JavaScript. So that's all in this video. I think you understand how you can use destructuring in React. If you really understand, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.